Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from USAA to PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead step into our video. So I would like to show you that method from PayPal itself because it's quite easy. So for that, first of all, access your PayPal and then simply tap on this wallet option on top. Once you have done that, you will be able to find this kind of interface where it allows you to link a bank to your PayPal. Go ahead, tap on this link a bank. Now here in this section, you will be able to add in any bank's information, but all you gotta do is simply go ahead, enter the information of your USAA bank. Once you have entered that bank's information, tap on this agree and link, and now you have been successfully able to link your bank with PayPal. Now the next time you come to your wallet and tap on this transfer money, you will be able to access these two options, which includes this withdraw from PayPal to your bank account and add money to your balance. All you have to do is tap on this add money to your balance. Now go ahead, choose at the USAA bank for you and simply transfer money to your account. So that is the way for you to do so. Make sure to follow all the steps accordingly and you will be done. So yeah, that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.